Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing and exploring another section of the SEMrush tool known as the project section. Now, the project section is very useful if you're handling more than one online presence. So let's just suppose that you have a site and also a blog that you're managing simultaneously. The project section can allow you to keep track of both of them without having to switch between two different accounts. So that is extremely convenient. And it is a very beneficial feature allowed by SEMrush for its users. Now, if we switch to one project, we can see that we're here on our site, Digital Ace Tech. It is our project, and it can be found in the project section, which is located right beneath the keyword analytics section. And if we move away from it, we can see that it brings us into another submenu of that very project. And in the dashboard section of Digital Ace Tech, we can see different metrics like site audit, position tracking, on-page SEO checker. Now, if we hover above them, we can see some details popping up in a dialog box, like right here in the social media tracker tab. We can see the text which says number of Twitter followers as of 19 March 2020. Click to view an overview report. So this is an overview of all of the factors which are associated with the project of Digital Ace Tech. Now, if you click on one of them, it will take us to a detailed report of that very factor or that very element of the site. So now we're going to move on to the next part, which is site audit. We're going to slowly observe all of these factors to understand their working and what kind of impact they have. So in the site audit, it gives us an overall health of the site, how it's performing and its visibility, and how exactly is it impacting its ranking and stuff like that. So we have 0 errors here, we have some warnings, we have notices, and it also tells us some very important factors like crawlability, HTTPS, site performance, internal linking, and right here we have the top issues section. Now, the top issues section can help you understand the basic issues that are going on with your project and that you need to tend to immediately. So this can be something extremely helpful if you're trying to optimize your site to its full potential. And if we go into the position tracking section, we have some things like visibility, estimated traffic, average positions, the keywords, positive impact, and negative impact as well. Now, these are some very unique features which cannot be found in a lot of site audits or online tools which are used to optimize and analyze a site's performance and overall health. So this is an extremely unique and cool feature which is allowed by SEMrush. And we have the top competitors here as well of the very project, and this can also allow you to understand your industry and your niche and how exactly can you optimize your own presence to reach the very level your competitors are at. And if we scroll further down, we can see SERP features. We have pages, top, improved, declined. This is extremely useful. We're going to go into the on-page SEO checker section. The on-page SEO checker section allows you to understand how you can improve the on-page optimization of your project or your site. So if you scroll down, we can see that they're providing us with some ideas or overall suggestions for the on-page improvement of our site. We're going to hover above the strategy ideas, and this text pops up, and it's a suggestion about how having a good strategy can help you optimize your online presence, and if you don't have a good strategy, how it's going to have a negative impact on your SERP and other things. And if you scroll further down, we can see a very, very useful analysis of which top pages you should be optimizing and the ideas you can use to optimize it. Now, SEMrush doesn't only allow you to analyze your online presence, it allows you to understand how exactly you can improve it to maximize your visibility, to maximize your ranking, and to be a better online presence. And that is a very generous feature that is being provided by SEMrush. So that was it for today. Today we analyzed 3 basic features of the project section, which allow us to understand our site better and how to optimize it to its full potential. In the next video, we're going to be analyzing the next 3 basic features of the project section. We hope it was a useful and helpful video for you.